minute, did you just say you climbed Mount Everest last year?
Yes, it was an incredible experience, though it was also the toughest challenge I've ever faced.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the AIPURE channel.
Did you notice the 2 voiceovers you just heard?
They were modified using AI. How cool is that? Today we're revealing how to change your voice for free using AI in 2024. Whether you're looking to prank your friends in games, enhance the audio quality of your videos, or stay anonymous, this video will introduce you to the best free AI voice-changing tools out there. Plus, we'll guide you through the download and installation process. Let's get started. W-okada-voice-changer is a powerful AI-based tool that lets you modify your voice in real time. Want to sound like a superhero, a cartoon character, or even a different gender? This free software has got you covered. It's super easy to use and works on both Windows and Mac systems. Here's how to install it. Download the software. Go to W-Okada's official GitHub repository. The link is in the description below. Scroll down to the Downloads and Related Links section and click on VCC Client Repository to access the download page on Hugging Face. Mac users, choose any of the first 3 options. Windows users, download the latest Windows version for access to the newest features. Installation. After downloading, extract the files and locate the start .rhttp.bat file in the folder. Double-click it to run. A console window will open. Wait 3 to 4 minutes for installation to complete. Once done, the program's main interface will appear. Make sure to keep the console open while using the software. Otherwise, it will close automatically. Getting started. Choose your microphone as the audio input and select your headphones or speakers as the output. Pick a default voice model from the top options, e.g., anime voice,
and click Start to begin real-time voice conversion. Speak into the microphone and hear the transformed output through your speakers.
The tool supports input in any language. Custom voice models. To add custom voices, download an RVC model from a site like RVC Model. Once downloaded, extract the files and import the model into W-Okada by clicking the Edit button, selecting Upload, and choosing the appropriate model type. It's that simple. If W-Okada feels a bit complex, try HitPaw VoicePea. This AI-powered tool offers over 100 voice effects, soundboards, and even AI music generation features. It's perfect for gamers, streamers, content creators, and online meetings.
Change your voice in real time.
Change your voice in real time with HitPaw VoiceChanger.
While it has a paid version, the free version is robust enough for personal use. How to install and use. Visit HitPaw's official website, link in the description, and click Try It Free to download and install the software. Launch the app and set up your microphone and speaker in the settings menu. Choose from a variety of voices, or earn credits in the Task Center to unlock more voices for free. If you need more advanced features, consider upgrading to the paid version. That's it for today's tutorial on changing your voice with AI. Whether you're looking for fun or want to elevate your content quality, these free AI voice-changing tools can help you achieve it effortlessly. Download links and detailed instructions are in the description below, so give them a try. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest AI tool tutorials. See you next time. Bye.